Hello, beautiful girls and ladies. How are you? I hope you're fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. In a world that never stops moving, your hair should not hold you back. Today, we are exploring the world of low maintenance short hair. We are not just looking at cuts, we are looking at freedom from the boardroom to the gym. These styles requires less than in 10 minutes of your morning. We start with the ultimate time savers. The buzz cut is no longer just for the brave, it's for the stylish. It requires zero styling. If that's too short, the tapered pixie is your best friend. With short sides and a slightly longer top, you are simply wash, air dry, and you are ready. Pro tip: use a teeny drop of hair oil to keep the scalp hydrated and the hair shining. If you have natural waves on curls, don't fight them. Cut them a short, shaggy cut, or a layered bob allows your curls to side perfectly without heat tools. The goal here is controlled chore. A bit of leave-in conditioner on damp hair is all you need. These styles actually look better as the day goes on and they get a bit more lived in. For those with straight hair, the blunt micro bob is the queen of low maintenance because the cut is so precious. It holds its shape as it grows out. You don't need to blow dry it into place. The weight of the blunt ends does the work for you. It's a Prussian inspired look that stays polished from morning until night. Short hair is about confidence and reclaimed time. Which of these low maintenance looks fits your life? Let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more 2026 hair inspiration. Stay beautiful, effortlessly, stay shining. See you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.